Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you how you can actually add and change your backdrops when you click on a letter. So we have our code so that when we click on the letter C, it says hello. Cool, super exciting. But I want to make it so that it actually changes the backdrop. So I can go over here and click, choose a backdrop, or maybe paint or surprise or upload a backdrop. But I'm going to choose the backdrop. And I have different categories that I can pick from, etc. I'm going to go ahead and pick an outdoors one. And I want to have two different backdrops that I'm going to add. So one of them, I'm going to make a tree. And then in the other one, I'm going to actually make it, I don't know, a canyon. Okay? So now I have three different backdrops. One is a canyon, one is a tree, and then one is what I'm going to call blank backdrop. Okay. So now, when I'm back in the code tab, my code is gone. Cool, everything is deleted. Just kidding. So I'm actually in the stages code, and right now there's nothing there. So to go back to my code, I just click on the letter C. And I want to switch the backdrop to the canyon when I click on C, because canyon. And then I'm going to have it switch back to the backdrop that is blank after it says hello. So now when I click on the letter C, switches to canyon, says hello, and then it switches back. Awesome. But if I want to make it so that the letter H is a different backdrop, all I have to do is switch to like the tree backdrop and then have it switch back to my blank backdrop. So if I click on C, it shows the canyon, but if I click on H, it shows a tree. Okay? So that is how you add in and change the backdrop in your interactive name or word project. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.